Hey guys, Aneeq is here with you from Untitled Perfumes, and today we do a review of fragrance which is from the house of Luxodor Niche Perfumes. First of all, I want to appreciate the patience of Luxodor Niche Perfumes because they sent me this fragrance around 3 months before, but I was very busy with my routine, so apologize to Luxodor Niche Perfumes. And second thing, of course this will not affect our review. First of all, if we discuss about this brand, Luxodor Niche Perfume, so it's a UAE based perfume house, but all the ingredient and everything they source from Switzerland. And as I know about this brand, even their perfumers are from Switzerland, so they're not compromise on the quality. So if we discuss about this particular fragrance, this fragrance is from their Ottoman Collection. Ottoman Collection is dedicated to Ottoman Empire's Turkey. If you know any interesting fact about Ottoman empires, please share with all of us in the comment section. They have 5 fragrances in Ottoman Collection: Hatun, Sultana, Shehzada Perfume, Shehzada Oil as well, and the 5th one is Padishah, which I have right now in my hand. Padishah, it's a Turkish language word which means the king. Now, first of all, let's go for presentation and unboxing.
So guys, here is the box of the fragrance. Padishah from Ottoman Collection from Luxodor Perfumes. Very premium look due to the cover of velvet. You can feel this velvet if you grab your hand like this. Very nice color combination as well, as you can see here. Very elegant design. Very simple. The Ottoman Collection, Padishah Man Oriental Woody Luxodor Swiss Perfume 100 ml. And if you twist this box, you find fragrance pyramid, some information about this particular perfume, and some information about this brand, and remaining all simple. And you can see here a ribbon, Luxodor branding, and other side Luxodor Perfumes. Means they even focus on each and every detail. Now if you want to open, you just need to pull it like this, and here is your fragrance. Inner cover is also covered with velvet, with black velvet, and here is your fragrance. To remove your fragrance, you have to pull it like this, and your fragrance comes out. Here is the place, so your fragrance comes here fixed. It's not moving. So if you want to remove, you can remove it like this. So now here is our fragrance. Bottle design is very unique. I think I never see any design like this. Cap is something. If I focus on the cap only, the fragrance which comes in my mind is Clive Christian from this cap. But this cap is related to this box, as I tell you before that this is from Ottoman Collection. So this will like give you a little historical touch, or the name Padishah, the king. So this is like a crown. This cap is made of metal, not plastic. And you can see the Ottoman Collection Padishah Extract the Parfum 100 ml Swiss fragrance, and backside all clean. And if you can see the bottom, Luxodor Niche Perfumes, and at the top of the atomizer you can see their branding, Luxodor. I need to twist it like this, Luxodor. So now we need to check this sprayer. So I just removed this box from here. So now we need to check this sprayer. So how is it? Sprayer is really nice. This sprayer not through all the fragrance in one time. This is like this. It squeezes the fragrance. You see. So mean they focus on each and everything, even all the details like their presentation, unique bottle design, good sprayer. 10 out of 10 again for presentation.
Now, before we discuss about the notes, I want to clear that this fragrance is the original creation. It's not a clone or not an impression of any other fragrance. This is 100% genuine creation of Luxodor Niche Perfumes. So initially, when you apply this fragrance, guys, you feel a very strong note of lemon blossom. It's a floral note which smells like sweet, floral, citrusy, bittery, creamy type of note, and you feel some more extra citrusy note of bergamot, which smells nearly like lemon, and you feel some spicy notes as well. But the spicy notes are not so prominent in opening, but in middle note the spicy notes become more clear, and you can identify nutmeg, which is sweet and spicy note. You can identify coriander, which is warm, woody, spicy note, and you can feel rosemary. Rosemary is a fresh, herbally, minty, spicy note, and you feel very light note of sweetness, which is like vanilla, which is very well balanced with these spicy notes. And in base note, this sweetness little bit increase, and this sweetness turn into fruity notes. Like you can feel lychee, which is very sweet type of fruit with some oceanic vibe as well. And you can feel orange, which is sweet and citrusy, and you can feel teak wood. It's a very dark type of woody note with some little bit feel of leather as well. And you can feel tonka bean as well. It is very complicated note, by the way, which smells like woody, like dry fruits, like leather as well. It's a complicated note, guys. And use of vetiver make this fragrance more amazing. It's a very fresh, herbally and dusty type of note which give you very fresh vibes. So guys, if I summarize all these notes, so you can say this fragrance start as a floral note with some citrusiness, and then this fragrance become a little bit spicy fragrance and very light touch of sweetness, and then later the sweetness increase and turn into fruity notes, and you feel some dark notes, some woody powdery notes as well. So overall, it's a great fragrance. I really appreciate this fragrance. And if we discuss about the performance, so guys, 10 out of 10 for this performance. Super longer lasting, as I personally experienced. If you apply this fragrance on your skin, this will stay around 10 to 12 hours very easily. And if you apply on your cloth, this will stay for a whole day, guys. It's seriously very long lasting fragrance with very good projection as well. And it's a woody oriental fragrance, so of course this is more suitable for men's only. And this fragrance is very versatile. You can wear this fragrance in all season due to the combination of sweetness, powdery, citrusy note and spices. But I think this fragrance is more suitable for formal activities like office, meeting, interviews, not for parties and clubbing, I guess. And if we discuss about the price range, so on their official website, this fragrance is available for $80, which is something equal to 290 dirham in UAE. So it's a quite expensive fragrance, guys. But if you consider all the things what you get in this price, a fragrance with good presentation, 100 ml fragrance, extract the parfum concentration, longer lasting, new fragrance, not a clone or impression, anything, original creation, and very long lasting and compliment getter, guys. Yeah, I showed this fragrance to one of my friend, and after a few days, like 3 to 4 days, he asked me, Aneeq, which fragrance you gave me a few days before? It was super. So means it's a complimentary getter fragrance as well. So if you consider all these points, then you can say that this fragrance justify its higher price. So guys, I think we cover all the points. So still, if you want to ask me anything about this fragrance or any other things, you can ask me in a comment section, or you can chat with me on my Instagram, which is given below. And if you want to purchase this fragrance, or you want to know more about this brand, just go to the description and I will put there all the details there. And if you want, you can grab this fragrance. And for me, this fragrance, especially in a term of longevity, in a term of performance, in a term of compliment, this fragrance is very, very appreciated. So that's all for today, guys. Take care of you and everyone around you, and keep using good fragrances.